Hello everyone, I hope you're okay. Let's start our analysis for gold for 9th of October 2023. Let me share my screen with you. Right. As you know, guys, that Israel has started. And as you can see, when Ukraine and Russia, so 950 to be accurate. 18th market moved from 18, almost 1878 to 1974. Yeah, so nearly around about 950-ish move. That was amazing move. And then market might come down, as you can see. And market went to this top. And you can see this was the market made double top here. This all-time. Yeah, it was all-time high. Basically tested the all-time high, basically, if you like it. So made a double top. Now, what we expect? We expect similar situation. But before I go in further detail into the chart, I just want to show you that we can expect a huge movement and how you can benefit from this movement. So you can open the reasonable lot size according to your account and hold it and take profit. And when market comes down, you can always book your profit and then buy again. You see here, market tested this level here. That was a level here. Let me change the color for the levels. Normally, I use green color for the levels for any levels, but this is daily, especially for the gold, which I do weekly, and I'll have specific colors. But for this purpose, I can use any color. That'll make life easy. So I'll leave it as a red color. Yeah, this was here. That was the move. Remove. We don't need these lines. Yeah, this one here. That was a line, and then you can see market came down, even broke this, and after that market continually kept going. So 1, 2, only this day, following day market came down, and then 1, 2, this still in the bullish direction. This market here. Here's post market could have come down here, and market didn't. And although there was a rejection here, because of the water effect, market went up. You can see. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, almost about a week, market kept going up. So we can expect similar situation in gold now. So let's see the gold chart and what's happening in gold and what we can expect. I probably have changed some of the levels to make it more clear, but the main levels are the same. I want to, for learning purpose, I want to discuss the Friday's move, how the market behaved on Friday. Let's look here. It was, this is a weekly, this is a daily, a monthly area here, the red level, and also probably smaller time frame as well. There's a level as well. But anyway, market came up to 1810, and the monthly was 1809. So it's about 10 pips different. So basically that means the market, once in 15 minutes, we had a rejection, we can easily take the buy trade here. Why? Because the data was mixed as well. And this was monthly low level. And if you look in smaller time, you'll see it's weekly double bottom as well. Only 10 pips difference, right? So when that's the situation, only 10 or 20 pips, 10 or 20 pips difference, then we consider on confirmation that market has reversed from the level. Sometimes it can be more pips, especially in bigger time frames. And as you can see on 15 minutes, we have this confirmation the market is going up, and we could take a risk here. I also want to show you something that if you use these levels, you can see that this is a London, Asian zone here. That you can always use Asian zones to find out the levels and the good trades. So this is against zone level, and it was broken, and it was retested here. And even on the retest, we can take a trade here based on some sort of confirmation. And if you want to go in smaller time frame, you can get a confirmation here as well in 5 minutes. And as you can see now, also now in 1 hour, you can see that market is standing at this rejection level. Before that, as you can see here, market moved in this zone. So we have a couple of opportunities here. And then as soon as the market entered into this zone with a rejection candle in 1 hour, and also half an hour is a rejection candle. If you don't want to trade on 15 minutes and you want more good confirmation, you can do on half an hour or 1 hour rejection candles. Look how big is this rejection candle, this bullish candle here. With this rejection candle, that's a clear-cut confirmation. Also, there's a rejection from this monthly level. So we know that it's a buying. If you still haven't made a profit, that means you need to sort out your technical analysis, or you may be having the psychological issue, or you're not managing your risk, or trade management is very poor. So this is very clear-cut indication that you could make a very good profit from here, right? And also here another opportunity was to, once this Asian high was broken, and then we have this yellow line, which is the daily area, and the market tested this level. And 1 hour, you can see the market is at this level, and we can expect it to come to this level before we move to the further to the upside. But because it's a war time, it may go straight shoot up. But let's see in 4 hour what's the story. In 4 hour, we can call this a decision candle, or some people may call it a evening star or doji, whatever you call it. But the thing is, you can always wait for the confirmation if you want to take a sell trade. But in this kind of situation, when the war is, I'll probably be reluctant to take sell trade. And also this level as well, this is range. Market has been running in 4 hours, it has been ranging quite a while, for a few days at least, as you can say in daily. And also look at the daily candle, the big daily candle, and 4 hour candle. So we would definitely expect to buy from here, whether there's a retracement or not. That let's see in maybe an hour's time when the market opens. So I do not expect any retracement here. However, even it's a retracement, just be very careful taking a sell trade. I will personally not take a sell trade here because of the news. Now, when this level is broken, this yellow line, which is yellow is a daily line, and we can definitely expect the market to go around 1815 when very quickly, maybe just a matter of 1 day. So that's the situation at the moment in 4H. And also, if you want to see in weekly is a rejection as well. So all the indicators showing this must be buy from here, even the news as well. So it can be very good buy if you know how to manage your risk and keep your eyes on gold as soon as the market opens. So let's see what's happening in Dixie. Dixie on has a on it's almost it's a kind of rejection in weekly. Would definitely can expect the Dixie to go down, especially with the news as well. So that's it for the Dixie, and now we also can have a Forex Factory calendar. What's going on in the news? The bank holiday in USA and Canada, so that may affect the market movement. So if a bank holiday in USA on Monday, so that we may not see much buying. However, in Tuesday we have massive buying. If there's not much buying in Monday, so because of the news and the factors I explained, so that's for Monday, and let's see. It will be interesting situation. That I hope make good profit, and I hope this analysis is useful for you. Thank you very much. Bye bye.